Hello everyone! Today I will show you very quick and understandable tutorial on how to make a black hole in Geometry 2.2. So let's get right into this. Open your level editor and set black color on the background and ground. Now select the custom particle object. Place it and follow my settings. All of these settings here put on 0. After you have done that, move on to Visual. Set Start Size to 50 and 50. End Size 1 to 50. Start Spin on 0 to 360. And End Spin on 100 to 150. Now Colors. Set Start B to 0, and now End G, End B, and A to 0. In the second line of setting, set Start R and Start G to 1. That makes it look like this. Let's go to Extra now and turn on the Start RGB VAR Sync and Quick Start. Now, go to Texture and select one of these two textures. I will go with this one. Now use the warp function to resize it, like this as you see on the video, but we will be resizing it later too, to make it fit into the level after the last effects. Alright, let's get into the second phase of this tutorial. Place the shader effect and select the same options as I do. Now find the pinch effect. Place it and open its settings. Set target X and target Y to 1.5 and radius to 0.15. Click on the Use X, Use Y, and Target function, and set Center ID to 1. Now find and place the bulge effect. Set the bulge to 1.5 and radius to 0.17. Enable Target and put 1 into the center ID like you did with the pinch effect. Now select your black hole and give it a group number 1. Now resize the black hole with warp to fit it into your level with the camera setting you have. And this is it, you got your own black hole with just 4 objects. If you guys found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe. It would make me so happy. Thank you for watching everyone, and have a nice rest of your day.